Space, once the exclusive domain of governmental agencies like NASA and Roscosmos, has entered a new era. The emergence of private companies venturing into space exploration and industry has revolutionized our approach to the cosmos. These ventures, collectively known as space industries, have not only redefined our understanding of space but also opened up a plethora of opportunities and challenges. Private players, redefining the space landscape. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic have been at the forefront of this revolution, introducing innovative technologies and driving down the costs of space travel. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, has not only successfully launched and landed reusable rockets, but has also secured contracts with NASA and private entities for satellite deployment, cargo resupply missions to the International Space Station, ISS, and crewed missions. Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, aims to make space travel accessible to everyone. With a focus on reusable rocketry and the development of its New Shepard spacecraft, the company envisions a future where ordinary people can experience the wonders of space. Virgin Galactic, spearheaded by Sir Richard Branson, is dedicated to commercial space travel, offering suborbital flights to civilians interested in experiencing weightlessness and seeing the Earth from a different perspective. Diverse avenues of space industries. The scope of space industries extends far beyond mere space tourism. Mining asteroids for rare minerals, satellite deployment for communication and Earth observation, manufacturing in microgravity environments, and establishing human colonies on other celestial bodies are among the diverse avenues being explored. 1. Mining and resource extraction, with asteroids containing valuable minerals like platinum, rare earth metals, and water. Companies are eyeing these celestial bodies for resource extraction. Water especially is crucial for sustaining life in space and creating fuel for further exploration. 2. Satellite deployment and space-based services. The deployment of satellites for communication, navigation, weather forecasting, and Earth observation has become a lucrative business. Companies are competing to create more efficient, smaller, and cost-effective satellites to cater to the growing demand for connectivity and data. 3. Manufacturing in space. The unique microgravity environment in space offers possibilities for manufacturing processes that are impossible or difficult to replicate on Earth. Experimentation with 3D printing, pharmaceuticals, and materials. Science in space is poised to revolutionize various industries back on Earth. 4. Colonization and beyond. Establishing bases on the Moon and Mars has become a long-term goal for space agencies and private companies. The dream of human colonization beyond Earth is gradually transitioning from science fiction to feasible reality. Challenges and opportunities. Ahead, despite the promising future of space industries, numerous challenges persist. Safety concerns, regulatory frameworks, space debris management, and the ethical implications of space exploration are crucial aspects that need careful consideration. Additionally, the cost of space travel and infrastructure development remains a hurdle for widespread commercialization. However, the opportunities presented by space industries are immense. They encompass technological advancements, scientific discoveries, economic growth, and the expansion of humanity's understanding of the universe. As private entities continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in space, the next few decades promise an era where space industries become an integral part of our daily lives, transforming our relationship with the cosmos in ways previously unimaginable.